What's up, everybody? How you doing? It's your favorite Black Belt Realtor, Erica Carter, with the Frank Montrohomes home team at Keller Williams Preferred Realty. And guys, today we are on the southeast side of Chicago at this beautiful brick bungalow at 1736 East 84th Street. So guys, let's go in the inside and take a look. This home was beautifully rehabbed and it's staged. So guys, you're going to be very impressed by what you see. So here, as you see, upon entering, we have the dining room, but we also have this beautiful foyer right here, and also this beautiful front living room, chock full of windows, stained glass windows at the top, faux fireplace, wainscoting on the wall. This was one of the flips that our investor did. So this bungalow did not originally look like this, but it's beautiful now nonetheless. So you see all that wainscoting, and you see that beautiful staging. Dining room is full of light and full of windows. I just had to come back to that light and bright living room. So guys, 1736 East 84th Street, Chicago, Avalon Park neighborhood. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. This is our first big size bedroom. This is our first main floor full bathroom. We have a second nice size bedroom. Here we have the beautiful kitchen, fully rehabbed granite, nice backsplash glass tiles. You got 2 windows and that beautiful lighting fixture right there that makes the house really, really pop. So guys, the appliances, which are Frigidaire, do stay. Love those dual doors with the freezer at the bottom. I like the little red accent on the stove eyes. That's pretty dope. So guys, we have a little mud room entrance area. You can put a little bench there, take your shoes off, knock the snow off your feet. So guys, we have this beautiful big bedroom with 5 windows in here. Count them, 3, 2. Nice size bedroom. So guys, let's go upstairs. Different angle of the kitchen, so let me keep it moving. I love these hardwood floors. So guys, let's take a look upstairs. So up here, guys, we have one big, huge bedroom, carpeted, nice and bright, especially with this beautiful skylight, not a cloud in sight. So guys, this floor is chock full of closets. It's just closets everywhere. And here's that full-size bathroom I was telling you guys about. Nice, light, bright and airy. So guys, let's go down. Last but not least, to the basement. Like I said, guys, this is 1736 East 84th Street in Chicago. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Avalon Park neighborhood. Very, very accessible to public transportation, right off Stony Island, right in between the Jeffrey, right off the Lakeshore Drive, also the damn land. So guys, last but not least, we have the basement. I love that. So guys, it's pretty cool how grab some different colored tiles, make a pattern, and it'll make the floor pop. So guys, we have a bedroom down here. And it's nice and bright, man. Even though it's a basement, it doesn't feel like a basement. Then you have additional entertaining area down here. I mean, you can do some of everything down here because guess what? You also have a full bathroom. I love it. And then guys, last but not least, this is a huge storage room / utility room. Nice and big. So guys, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, please contact me. So guys, I know you're all wondering, what in the world is the price for this 5 bedroom, 3 bathroom with a 2-car garage, with a separate dining area, with a separate living room? Guys, asking price for this is $220,000. So guys, contact me. Thanks.